Good morning students, myself Kokreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the surface area and volume that is related to the cylinder. Okay, so as per the previous session we have already learned about the volume of the cylinder and we are seeing that some example related to that. Okay, now in today's session we already we are seeing that some example that is already related to the volume. Okay, and after if time is remaining, okay, if time is left, then we have to see the some MCQs that is related to the volume of the cylinder. Okay, then let's start today's topic, that is volume of the cylinder. Okay, now as per the previous question, we have seen that the question, that is the inner diameter of the cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 cm and the outer diameter is 28 cm. The length of the pipe is 35 cm and find the mass of the pipe if 1 cm cube wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. Okay, so that we have to see that question and we find that 3432 gram of the mass that is required to the wood. Okay, now in today's session we are going to the next question. For that is after that is if the lateral surface area of cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square. Okay, this type of questions are already given in your textbook, so kindly take your textbook beside you. Okay, now lateral surface area of cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square, so I'll take lateral surface area of cylinder equal to 94.2 centimeter square. Okay, and its height is 5 centimeter. Okay, and its height is 5 centimeter, so I take height h equal to 5 centimeter. Now radius of its base. Find the radius of the base. So one of them is find the radius. Okay, and the second one is volume of the cylinder. Okay, second one is that say that is find the volume of the cylinder. Also find the volume of the cylinder and also take the value of the pi. That is pi equal to 3.14. That already given in the question. That is take pi equal to 3.14. Okay, take pi equal to 3.14. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, lateral surface area of cylinder is given that 94.2 centimeter square. So lateral surface area is also known as the curved surface area of cylinder. So I'll take curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 94.2. Okay, curved surface area of cylinder, that is the formula is 2 pi RH. Okay, that is 2 pi RH equal to 94.2. Okay, clear? Now in this question we have a height. Okay, we have a value of the pi. Okay, and find the radius. Okay, so now students, after that you have to continue to do yourself. Okay, and I'll give you the answer. I am also do this sum, but after you can come. First of all you have to complete this sum. Okay, after we have to move on. Please do fast. I am doing parallelly with you. That take pi as 3.14, so 314 upon 100 into we have to find the radius into height is given, that is 5 centimeter, equal to 94.2. Okay. Now I have to remove the point from that. So my question is 942 upon 10. Okay. Now I have to find the radius of the cylinder. So for that we have to move remaining parts or remaining numerical to the second side and shifted to the second side. So 100 is in division, so I'll shift it to the second side, that is multiply with the 942. So my radius is equal to 942 into 100. Okay, and 314 and 5 are in the multiplication, so it shifted to the second side, so that divided by 2, 942, and it's multiply with the 10. So 10 into 2 into 314 into 5. Okay, clear? Now we have to move for the calculation part. So my radius is 942 into 100 is divided by 10 into 2 into 314 into 5. Okay. So now we have to take cancellation. Okay. Now we have to take cancellation of this portion. So after the cancellation, that is 0 0 are cancel out. 314 1s are 3, 314 314 3s are 942. Okay, 314 3s are 942, and after that 5 1s are 5 2s are, and 2 2 are cancel out. So my radius is 3 centimeter. My radius of the cylinder, that is 3 centimeter. Okay, clear? Now we have to move for the volume. Now we have to move for the volume to find the volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder, that is my pi r square h. So take pi is 3.14, so 314 upon 100 into r, radius of the cylinder, that is 3. So 3 into 3 into height is given as 5 centimeter. Take 5. So without taking cutting or without it cancellation, so I'll take numerical part as it is. So 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 45 upon 100. So my answer is 314 into 45. What is 314 into 45? 16. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. 4 3s are 12. 20. 7. 15. 0. 13. 12. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 14230 by 100. 14230 by 100, that is 0 0 are cancel out. Therefore my answer is 142.3 centimeter cube. Okay, my volume is 142.3 centimeter cube. Clear, students? Here is some mistake, that is 141.3. Here is my mistake, that is 141.3. Here my calculation mistake, that is 141.3 centimeter cube. Okay. So students, please note down this question, note down this answer. Okay, please note down fast. Okay, clear? Now we have to move for the second question. My second question is, second question is that the capacity of closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. Here is a closed cylinder are given. Here is a closed cylindrical vessel are given. So I take closed cylindrical vessel as closed cylindrical tank. Okay, their capacity is given, that is means volume is given is 15.4 liter, is 15.4 liter. Okay, volume of the tank is given that 15.4 liter, and their height is 1 meter. Height is 1 meter is given. So how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it? How many meter square? The question is how many meter square metal needed to make it. So here is they told us that, okay, they tell us about that to find meter square, to find something in meter square. So now we know that whenever we have to take meter square, that means surface area we have to find. Okay, so here we understand that surface area we have to find, but which surface area? Closed surface area or total surface area? Which one we have to find? Here is my cylinder is closed cylinder, so that's why we have to find the total surface area of cylinder. Okay, here my cylinder is closed cylinder, therefore we have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so first of all we have to find the radius. And after that we have to find the total surface area, because we know that the formula of total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r plus h. So in that we must to know about the radius of the cylinder, and for the radius of the cylinder that are not given. Okay, so now we have to find the first of all radius of the cylinder. Okay, so for that my volume is given. Here my volume is given in the liter. Okay, my volume is given in the liter. So first of all I have to convert that liter into the meter cube, because without converting I am not finding to volume of the cylinder. Okay, I can't find the volume of the radius of the cylinder using the volume of the cylinder. Okay, so first of all 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, so 15.4 liter, there is a how many meter cube are required? So 15.4 divided by 1000 is equal to, here is a 3 zeros, so we have to shift 3 points after the digit. Okay, so here is my answer is 0. Here is I'll put the 10 to make a 3 digit. Okay, so now point is shifted to here. Okay, because here is a 1000, so point are shifted it left side to 3 digit. Okay, then my answer is 0.0154 meter cube. My answer is 0.0154 meter cube. Okay, now we have to find the radius. So volume of the cylinder, is equal to pi r square h. Okay, so I'll take the value of the pi as a 22/7 into radius is given, not given, so take r as r square, and height of the cylinder is given as a 1 meter. Now volume is 0.0154. Okay, so now I have to multiply 7 to the second side to the 154 because 7 are in the division. So shifted to the second side, they are multiplied with this 154, and 22 are in the multiplication, so they shifted to the second side, that is divided by to the 154. Okay, so that's why it's divided by to the 154. Now 0.0154 into 7 is divided by 22 equal to r square. Okay, so now I have to take point from the question. So 154 into 7 upon 22 into 10,000, because I'll taken out point from the 154. So 22 ones are 22, 7s are 154. Okay, 22 7s are 154. Therefore my radius is 7 7s are 49. 49 by 10,000. So is equal to r square. Now square is shifted to the second side. It's been square root. So square root of 49 upon 10,000, that is my radius. So my radius is square root of 49, that is 7, upon square root of 10,000, that is 100. So therefore my radius is 0.07 meter. 0.07 meter. Okay, my radius is 0.07 meter. Okay, now we have to find the area, total surface area of the cylinder. So for that I am rubbing this. Okay, so now total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r plus h, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius are given, that is 7 by 100. Okay, and 7 by 100 plus height is 1. So for that 7 are cancel out. So 22 2s are 44 by 100 in bracket 7 upon 100 plus 1. So now here we have to take LCM. So 100 ones are 100, 100 plus 7, that is 107. So 44 into 107 upon 10,000. Okay, so multiply them. So multiply fast them, students. 107 into 44, what is the answer? Tell me fast. So my answer is 4708 by 10,000. So now I have to put the point after the fourth digit, because here's my 4 zeros are in division. Okay, so I put the point from the after the 4 digit from the left side. So my answer is 0.4708 meter square. Okay, my total surface area of the cylinder, that is 0.4708 meter square. Okay, clear students? Clear? Now we have to move for the next question. Dear students, if you don't understand anything, okay, in any lecture, please notify me, okay, then I'll solve your doubts, okay. Please notify me in any kind of the session or in any kind of the lecture if you have a doubt. A patient in a hospital is given a soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter is 7 centimeter. Here is the bowl that are in the cylindrical shape and their radius is 7 centimeter. Their radius is 7 centimeter. So I'll take radius of the bowl as a 7 centimeter. Radius of the bowl, that is 7 centimeter. Okay. And after that, if the bowl is filled with the soup to a height of 4 centimeter. Now bowl is filled with the soup of height 4 centimeter and my height is also given, that is 4 centimeter. Now how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients. Now they have to require to for the 250 patient, okay. 250 person are there in the hospital or patient are in the hospital to serve them the soup, okay. So how much soup are required to serve 250 person, okay. For that we have to find the volume of this cylinder, okay. Here is a clear cut question, that is the volume of this cylinder. We have to find the volume of the cylinder. So for the volume of the cylinder, my formula is volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, okay, that is pi r square h. So now take pi as a 22/7, radius is given as a 7 into 7 and height is given as a 4, okay. So now I have to cancel out this. So 22 into 7 4 is 28. So 22 into 28, that is my answer is 616 centimeter cube is volume of the bowl. 616 centimeter cube is the volume of the bowl. Now we have to convert for the 250 person. Now this volume is for the only one person because one cylindrical bowl has for the one person. Now we have to find for the 250 person. So for the 250 person, therefore we have to multiply this volume to the 250, okay. Now 616 multiply by 25, multiply them students, multiply it fast. 616 into 25, Six into 25. 6 2s are 12. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are 30. 3 carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 8. 6 1s are 30. 6 5s are 30. 0 8 plus 2 10. 3 plus 1 4. 3 plus 2 5. 1 5 4 0 0. Okay, 1 5 4 0 0. Here students, we have to take 15400. 15400. This is my centimeter cube. of the volume for the 250%. Okay, for the 250%. Now we have to require the volume in the liter because they have to prepare soup for the patient in the liter, not in centimeter cube. Okay, so we have to convert them. That is 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So for that 154,000 centimeter cube, there are how many liter are required? So there is a 154,000 divided by 1000. So take zeros are cancelled out. So my answer is 154 liter. My answer is the required, that is 154 liter of the soup they have to require. Okay, clear students? I'll change this question. I'm taking radius as a 7 centimeter because in this the same question are given in the textbook, but there is a diameter is 7 centimeter are given. Now I am taking radius as a 7 centimeter. Okay, so there is some changes between that question and that question and this question. Okay, now we have to move on the last question and take as fast as soon. Okay, we have to take as fast as possible because we don't have more time. Now my last question is that volume is given and surface area is given. Volume and surface area, both of them are given. That is, curved surface area of pillar is 264 meter square. CSA of pillar is equal to 264 centimeter square are given, and volume is also 924. Volume is given, that is 924 centimeter cube are given. Okay, now we have to find the diameter and height of the pillar. Find diameter and height of the cylinder. Find diameter and height of the cylinder. So we have to find the diameter of the cylinder. Therefore we have to first of all require the radius of the cylinder. So first we have to find the radius of the cylinder, and after you have to find the diameter of the cylinder. Then you have to take diameter of the cylinder. So for that question is to find the radius and height of the cylinder. So students, this question I'll give you in homework because the same kind of the question we already learned in the previous session. Okay, so please note down this question. Student, please note down this question. This is one of the easy question. Okay, but here is some tricky. We don't tell like tricky, but it's a easy sum. Okay, just remember the formulas and put them the values of the volume and surface area of cylinder, then you got the answer. Okay, I'll give you this question in the homework. Okay students, so write this question in the for the homework. Okay, and from the next session we are moving on the surface area and volume of the sphere and cone. Okay, so students, I hope you have to understand all these things in the today's session. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.